Hey, before we get going, I just want to announce that this is part of the Puzzle Advent Calendar 2020. The Puzzle Advent Calendar is a massive collaboration between some of the best YouTubers and puzzle modders. We are bringing you 24 original puzzles throughout the month of December. Check out the playlist linked in the description to see the links for all the previous videos. And the next video to come out after this is from Puzzle Building 101. Make sure to subscribe to his channel, also linked in the description, so you can see the video when it comes out tomorrow. If you're watching this after the day it came out, well, check the playlist and you can see all the videos from before and after this. Thank you very much and enjoy this addition to the Puzzle Advent Calendar 2020. Hey, Sean here from SpeedCubeReview.com. I am participating in the Puzzle Advent Calendar and I received this lovely package. I have not seen what's in here yet. I almost did. My wife opened it up and tried to show me. So let's take a look. It looks like a bump 2x2 sphere. So it turns really nicely. I was originally told it might be a scube, which scared me because I'm really bad at scubes. Oh, side note, I did cut my hand, so please ignore the troll band-aid here. Okay, so just looking at this, couple things that I just want to notice. It does look 3D printed here. The internal mechanism, I do not know. I can't really see that too well. So it is very tight, which is okay because I'm not speed solving this, but those rounded corners are really good. Whenever I sometimes will 3D print stuff, I don't always do the rounded corners because I don't feel like I make them look natural, and these look naturally curved. I'm going to try to scramble this up and solve this. I wish I had a tree. I could put a hook on this and hang this thing up. On a side note, before I scramble this up, the person who designed this, I'm going to put their Instagram in the description. Check it out. They do a lot of different mods, so it'll be just always nice to see what new thing is happening. So, okay. I'm going to scramble this up. I have no idea, really. I think it's just going to be guess and check for solving this because I can't really think of a good method. Yeah, I wonder what this is based off of. I know a lot of people for 2x2, they based it off of this one mini 2x2, but I couldn't find those and I tried making my own mods. Just want to make sure nothing's connected. Those are connected, so let's scramble this up just a little bit more. Those are connected, but is that correct? I know the lines aren't always the same, so I can't really line it up with the lines. Yeah, this just might be a little bit of a guess and check. I think that's a good place to start, and this as well. So let's try to get this last one in here, and I feel like it's gonna be this one. So let's just do sexy move a couple times and see what happens. Ooh, this might be it. Okay, so I think we've got this first half. So I'm thinking this one might be correct. Let's see if this lines up anywhere. It does not line up. It does not line up anywhere. Neither does that one. Do any of these actually line up? They do not. What? None of them? That can't be. Okay. So maybe they're all turned in some way. So here, I'll just do the F triple sexy. F prime. And how's it looking now? Okay, so I'm guessing these two are oriented because they're lined up there. They just need to be swapped. So we can do a T perm or a J perm. I'm always afraid to do those. What if I did the FMC T perm? So I do like...
wait, let me get that lined up correctly. R2, YU, R2, YU prime. R2, and then R2, YU prime, R2, RU, just say U prime.
Oh, I think I messed it up. This definitely feels kind of messed up. Okay, I won't be doing that again. Let's get back to where I was. Okay, that was actually pretty nice. I just sort of intuitively fixed that. Okay, back to what I think is a T-perm, and I'm just going to do a regular T-perm. If I can do it slowly. Done! Awesome. Okay, so yeah, I really like solving this. I think I might add some lubrication so it turns a little bit nicer. But other than that, it's a really nice 3D printed sphere. The one thing I always enjoy just spherical puzzles. I think it just reminds me of Pokeballs. But it's something that, you know, when it's solved, it feels very nice and compact, and it's really nice to hold. So, awesome. Yeah, thank you very much for sending this over. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Check out all of the other videos. There's going to be like 23 other ones. I know there's a lot of big name cubers, and probably, you know, if you're not new to this, there's probably going to be a lot of cubers and puzzle modders that you've never met before or seen before. So check that out. Link in the description if you are not on the playlist already. Thank you very much for watching. Hit like and subscribe for more content like this in the future. And as always, stop by speedcubeview.com for more news and reviews. I feel like I still have to end that way.